Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to use FPS Unlocker in Roblox. So let's open the Roblox FPS Unlocker first. After opening, it will go to your system tray. You can look it up by opening the taskbar, then right clicking on the icon. In the icon, you'll find a setting called FPS cap. From here, you can either choose none or set to any FPS limit that you prefer. Now go to the search panel and type Roblox Player. Now get into any game. Click on play. Now after getting into the game, you will feel that the game is feeling a lot responsive. And if you open your FPS meter, you will see that I'm getting above 400 FPS right now. So that is how you use FPS Unlocker in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.